Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kaushika. So today I've come up with a new delicious recipe and you can eat this at any time and it's a great snack. And they are s'mores. It's a delicious recipe to eat whenever you like and you'll feel like you're gonna eat it every minute and it's so good. So first we need to know the ingredients. So I've got a chocolate bar, so these come in blocks, and I melted them. I didn't melt them too much, okay? So it's not too liquidy, it's just a bit pink buttery, like that. And then we'll need some butter, just a quick layer of butter, and crackers, just like a sandwich, one at the bottom, one at the top, crackers, and a plate to place your s'mores in, and a butter knife to paste everything onto the crackers. So let's get started. So I know you're surprised that it's done already, but it's actually that easy. See, it's a simple and delicious snack to eat whenever you like. Ta-da!